Hi. Uh, Good morning, I would say to all my friends, my Katribo friends and followers. I have to thank you, all of you, to all my family, relatives, and friends in social media, especially right here in Facebook, and all my co-riders who have greeted me, and my sisters and brothers in hashtag Buntutetik Balang, and all other teams that have greeted Katribo Motovlog on his 57th birthday yesterday, March 29, 2024. I would like to thank you all. Thank you so much for your good words, good comments, inspiring messages that you have sent to my posting. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Nakakatuwa. Nakakaiyak na marami palang nagmamahal kay Katribo Motovlog. Sa aking mga ka-team sa YouTube, maraming salamat. Sa inyo, Inahan, Maldita FW World of Lebanon. Daghang salamat Inahan, Sister Raima, and many others. Thank you so much. And here in Facebook, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kapatid. Salamat sa inyong pagmamahal kay Katribo Motovlog. Maraming salamat sa nagpaabot ng tulong. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Para ako po ay makapag-upload, makapag-load. Maraming salamat. Alam niyo na po yun kung sino kayo. Diyos na bahala ang magbalik ng lahat ng biyaya na inyong itinulong kay Katribo Motovlog. Maraming salamat po, and God bless you all. Once again, this is Katribo Motovlog from the land of walang ana-ana. Kaya naglatod-latod na lamang. Thank you. Bye-bye.